Have you ever wondered how much you can get out of your phone and make yourself enhance your money making opportunities or your skill sets in one stroke? Well, look no further. Multi-disciplinary Ghanaian creative Nicholas Nartey, aka Big Ghun, is organizing a Pocket Pro mobile filmmaking masterclass for his adoring fans and more in the month of May. Starting on the 1st of May 2026, Big Goons Masterclass will see everybody who takes part in it learn how to take their phone and use it to become an excellent visual storyteller. This masterclass is ideal for existing content creators, people who want to jump into the business, people who just want to find a way of bringing ordinary pictures and videos into life and probably use that as an opportunity to land themselves a major deal or get themselves seen by the right people. The masterclass, once again, is starting on the 1st of May and is going to cost a cool 500 CDs. And the deadline for payments and registration is the 30th of April 2026, which will be this Thursday. So it will see anyone who registers take part in 4 sessions in 1 week. The Momo number to make payment to is 055 341 0487. 055 341 0487. And it's worth noting that it will be in your best interest to send payment proof on WhatsApp so that you can be assured that you've been booked for your class and that your money is going for the right purpose. So I'm going to let you hear from Big Ghun himself, and afterwards I'll just tell you one final thing.
So there's an issue I'm facing and I need to find a way to fix it. Anytime we do an online class, the online mobile phone class, people tend to ask to join after we are done with the class. So I'm giving a longer period for you to get ready. We are doing the whole month of April, between now to the end of April, to prepare your 500 cities. Get ready to learn how to shoot with your phone, edit with your phone, color grade with your phone, sound design with your phone, doing CGI with your phone, everything with your phone. Another class is happening the end of this month. Like I said, you have enough time to prepare your 500 cities. It's going to be a virtual class and you don't want to miss this. After this one, the next one go far. The number is on the screen. Holla.
So there you have it. You heard it from the direct source. So once again, Pocket Pro Filmmaking Masterclass, Mobile Filmmaking Masterclass is taking place in May 2026 and is starting on the 1st of May 2026. Anyone who signs up for this will be learning how to plan shots, how to edit on their mobile phone, how to design sound on their mobile phone, how to integrate the use of AI for video creation, and of course, mobile cinematography. It's been a pleasure bringing this video to you. I do hope a lot of you register as quickly as possible, seeing as the deadline is just a few hours away. Make sure you elevate that skill game of yours. And whilst you're at it, be sure to follow Big Ghun and follow us on your favorite social media platform. We are on Facebook, we are on Thread, we are on Instagram, and of course, we are live here on YouTube. My name is James of TBS Lifestyle. Catch you same time. Stay blessed and bye for now.